नवयुग निकेतन शाळेत विज्ञान प्रदर्शन घडवून हाडले। मुख्याध्यापक श्रीमती बिंदू कोटेचा हांच्या फुडारपणाखाला वार्षिक पद्धतीप्रमाण हेवूय वर्सा नवयुग निकेतन शाळेत हे विज्ञान प्रदर्शन घडवून हाडले। तशेंच भुरग्यांनी व्हडा उमेदीन आनी निपुणतायेन विविध प्रकल्प करून हे प्रदर्शन यशस्वी केले। या प्रदर्शनात व्हड्या संख्येन भुरग्यांच्या पालकांचोय प्रतिसाद लाभलो।
आमी आसा कारंजाळे नवयुग निकेतन स्कुलाच्या प्रांगणात। हांगासर वार्षिक भुरग्यांचे सायन्स एक्झिबिशन भरलेलें आसा। आपल्या हांगासल्या शाळेंतल्या भुरग्यांनी आपली बुद्धी वापरून एक सायन्स प्रोजेक्ट हांगासर तयार केलेले आसा। सायन्स म्हटल्यारूच एक तरेची कला आनी तेंच्यांनी बरें प्रेजेंटेशन करून एक वेगळे सायन्स एक्झिबिशना खातीर आपलो प्रोजेक्ट हांगासर सादर केल्लो आसा। तो कसो तेंच्यांनी तयार केला आनी तेजो एक बारीकसो नियाळ आमी घेवया आतां। तर त्यांच्या कडल्यान जाणून घेवया ही त्यांची मेहनत तेंच्यांनी कशी घडोवन ही कला जी आसा सायन्साच्या माध्यमांतल्यान तेंच्यांनी लोकां मुखार हाडला। तेंचे जाणून तेंचे फाटले विचार घेवया की तेंच्यांनी कशी मेहनत करून हे तयार केलेले आसा।
Apart from moving around the sun, the earth also spins. The part of the earth that faces the sun, that is day. This is a balloon powered car. This is Newton's third law of motion. This shows that every force has equal and opposite reaction. This is a digestive system. When the food goes in the mouth, the teeth crush and grind the food. Then the tongue helps the food to mix with the saliva. The end helps it to go in the food pipe. From the food pipe it comes to the stomach. So here I've made a working model of an escalator. So you all must have seen escalators mostly in malls. So I'll show you its mechanism. So here there is a battery which is connected to this switch. Then the connection is continued to this DC motor. Then a pulley is attached to this DC motor and which moves with the power of this battery. So now I'll show you all how it works. So this is how it goes on top. The receiver will take power from the battery and send it to the servos or the speed controller. From there, the speed controller will send the power into the motor, which will make the motor spin.
आमच्या बरोबर नवयुग निकेतन स्कुलाच्यो प्रिंसिपल हे जे एक्झिबिशन सायन्स घडोवन हाडले तेंच्या फाटल्यान भुरग्यांक उर्बा दिवपा खातीर आनी हे सायन्स घडोवन एक्झिबिशन घडोवन हाडपा खातीर तेंचे विचार कितें आसा ते जाणून घेवया।
Hi, I am Mrs. Bindu Kotecha from Navayug Niketan School, and today we are conducting our annual exhibition, Colors of Science. It's a science exhibition where every year kids show their talent, their creativity, and when they do something, they can implement their classroom knowledge also. And when they create something new and they achieve the desired result they get, then they are motivate themselves only, and they try to do more creative things, and we can see their passion in that, the patience and creativation we can always see in that. I would like to special thank to Gomantak who had come here and motivate our children, and we would like to thank you so much for that.
तर ह्यो आशिल्ल्यो ह्या स्कुलाची प्रिंसिपल जेणी भुरग्यांची उर्बा वाडोवन हे सायन्स एक्झिबिशन हांगासर घडोवन हाडलें. गोमंतक TV खातीर हर्ष बरोबर हांव गौरीश परबामणकार.